So this is a coffee machine, pot coffee machine. Actually they have this kind of coffee pots, the machine, and this is how it's work. You have to put just a bit of water, yeah, and next step, here you have to put the coffee pot. You have to take out the old one, yeah, this is the new one. Just you have to put it like this straight. You don't need to peel it off or anything. Just close it, yeah, and now it's ready. You just press this button. So here is the coffee. It depends where you wanna, like how much you want a coffee. Like small, you just press it again, it's turn off. That's it for me, and coffee is ready.